Welcome everyone, and welcome to Biggs' Home Cooking. I'm Biggs. Hope you stay tuned for this one. Today I'm going to be cooking up a whole packer corned beef brisket, and I'm going to be doing that out on my Bigg Redd smoker. Let me show you what that is. We'll get on with this cook. Stay tuned. Okay, right, folks, so here it is, my reveal of the Bigg Redd smoker. Oh yeah. We got the Weber Kettle Red Limited with the Cajun Bandit conversion smoker kit. Doesn't that look like a beauty? Alright, so this is what I'm going to be doing the cook on today. Let me show you the setup, and we'll get this underway. Alrighty folks, so here's my setup. I got the Weber Kettle Red here, and I got the charcoal grate, which you take your charcoal ring that comes with the conversion kit, and you place your charcoal grate right down in there. Alright, and it's like a big charcoal basket now. And to that, I'm going to just put this little tub here, keep an opening in the middle. I'm going to dump my charcoal. Alright, that was one full chimney, and then I'll take that out, and I'll dump my coals there in the middle. Okay, and then the next part to assemble is you take your ring, stainless steel ring, place it right there on top of your Weber kettle. And then as a heat deflector, they give you this little chintzy pizza pan here. That's all it is. It even says it on it. 18-inch wide rim pizza pan, made in China. I thought that could have been a little more heavy duty, so what I'm going to do is, according to Ken over at Heavy Metal Barbecue, we're going to add some thermal mass to this. Alright, I got about a 17-inch pizza stone, which I'm going to lay right down in there, and it fits perfectly. And to that I'm going to add a drip pan. I had to bend the corners up a bit to fit it in there, but it fits nice now. It'll catch all the grease and drippings from the brisket. And then on top of there, you put your grid, and then your meat, and then the lid. Alright, so there you have it, Bigg Redd. Let's get this baby fired up and going, and then I'll meet you inside and we'll open up that brisket. Okay, folks, so here's my corned beef brisket. I just trimmed it all up. Came in at about 13 pounds. I probably took a couple pounds off of soul fat. Figure like 11, 10 pounds right now. And this is a Jomar brand corned beef. Comes out of Troy, New York. They supply Restaurant Depot with these. So let's get this out on the grill. Coals are all lit up, and let's get her on. Coals are done. Move the bucket, dump them in. Easy as that. Spread them out a little bit. All right, now let me just put this together and get the meat on. Put the ring on. I showed you the setup before. All right. All I'm going to do now is add some water to the drip pan. Put about a quart in there, a good quart, and here goes the brisket. And I got plenty of room now on this this Weber kettle for smoking. Well, actually, I'm not smoking this. There's no smoke on this. Just gonna roast it. All right, check temps and so forth, and see how it rolls. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of the seasoning that comes with it on there. Rub it in a little bit. Alrighty folks, there you go. Got you back here. I don't know, I'm hoping to run this at about 325 somewhere, give or take 25 degrees. And it's probably going to take at least 4 hours to cook, so we'll catch you back then. Okay folks, we're out here at the Bigg Redd smoker, and this cook is done. I've been going here for about 5 hours now, and it was running at 300 all day until the last half hour dropped down. So let's take a look at this, see what it looks like. Ah, nice. Let's take a little temperature probe of it and see where we're at in the point there. Looks like we're at about 189. Going in nice. This is definitely done because it's corned beef brisket. It's got that tenderizer in there. So flat's at about 191 right now. 190, actually about 199, 200. So I'm going to pull this. This is done, and I'm going to bring it inside and we'll slice it up and give it a little taste. All right, folks. Here's the brisket. Corned beef brisket, all done. Took about 5 hours. It cooked at about 300. Maybe down on the grate, it could have been a little higher, maybe 325. I was just going by the dome lid, but anyway, looks great. I added no smoke to this, so let's get slicing this. Grain's running this way, so hey, why don't I just do this right now? Got a nice bark, I'll tell you that much. Cutting nice. There you have it, folks. Some corned beef. out on the Bigg Redd smoker. Let me give this a shot. Oh yeah, very tender. Tender as can be. Oh, let me cut one more slice off here. Alright, little bend test right there that everybody wants to see. Alright, let me show you a hit of this. Okay folks, well I just want to say thanks for stopping by Big Man's Home Cooking. Biggs is home cooking, Big Man's home cook. What am I talking? Anyway, here we go. A little taste test. That's a nice brisket. It's not overly salty, anything. It was good flavor. Well, thanks again for stopping by. I appreciate it. And remember, keep on looking at Biggs' Home Cooking. I'll see you at the next video, my friends. Take care.